I'm gonna go straight up. Uni, I'm sorry. Oh! Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you my thoughts about the SD card reader. If you're gonna buy a SD card reader, save a little bit more money and buy a decent one, okay? Why? Because this Uni look nice, but it's trash. I'm sorry. For the first time that I went to use my SD card reader, when I put here, it locks my card. I'm not even able to see. Doesn't work. If you go on Amazon and find this brand, don't buy it. You're welcome. Oh, we have the Sandisk as well. Mine is already gone. It broke. My girlfriend had some experience with Sandisk as well. She used to plug a lot of things on her MacBook Pro, especially because the old version didn't have 4 plugs right here, just 2 entries. If you put some other thing here, it's gonna start to push this and it's gonna affect your plug. She couldn't charge anymore her computer if she was using the other plug. She couldn't use 2 things at the same time. Big problem, okay? So, Sandisk, do you recommend or not?
No, it broke my computer.
No, it broke her computer. Not good as well. Save a little bit more money and invest in a good quality product. On the long term, you'll be happy to purchase one of those. I decided to switch to Apple. They don't pay me anything to say this. I wish. Apple, hey, let's go. Why? Because it's tiny. Here on the side, you are able to put 2 things and it's not gonna touch, it's not gonna rub, it's not gonna affect your plug. Read super fast. On my SD cards, I just put here, boom, recognize right away. Never had problem, so that's why I would recommend this one. Personal experience, Apple SD card reader is the best one. You're welcome. So, thank you very much for watching this video. If cinematography and editing is something that you're into, consider subscribe to this channel. Give a like. Let's see if we can hit 27.5 likes in this video until 2025. Let's go.
Hey.
Leave your comment down below. Let me know if you have any experience like me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.